I wanted to give you a quick update on where we in Converine County and San Angelo stand as far as COVID-19. We're right now appear to be at the end of a hump. It's probably the end of the first hump is what we're seeing now. Our total numbers are down. Our total number of people being tested is down. Our rate of positivity is still high. In fact, we're higher than the state average right now with our positivity rate. When we look at the people that are hospitalized, we still see somewhere in the mid-40s as far as hospitalized patients. Yesterday we had, I believe it was 7 deaths reported. And if you look at where we were hospitalized patients last week to where we are today, you subtract those 7 deaths and that's about where we are. So the people that are in the hospital that are in critical condition, as a rule, most of them are not surviving. So I wish you would take a strong look at why we need to maintain our social distancing. When we look at our numbers now, we have seen this decrease in our numbers compared to where we were a month ago, and everybody's thinking, wow, we've got this whooped, we're ahead of the game. But really what happened is about a month ago, we started mandating masks wherever you go, increased pressure for social distancing, and we saw the drop-off in cases that you would expect. This is not a time that we should look and say, oh, this is over. Don't wear your mask, blow off social distancing. That's not going to work. We need to be watching our step very closely. We all know that next week most of the schools are going to start. And as schools start, we know there's going to be an increase, probably be an exponential growth in the number of cases we have. So right now, during this 1 week or two before school starts, we have an opportunity to lower the total viral load of our community, to make it a little bit harder, a little bit longer before we see that exponential growth. Again, as I leave, I'd like to remind you of the importance of doing the simple things that we talked about so many times. Wear your face mask. Think of it as a badge of honor. This is what you're doing to help save somebody else's lives. You don't wear a face mask, a cloth mask, to protect yourself. You wear that to protect somebody else in case you're an asymptomatic carrier. Wash your hands, social distance. The simple things that are done correctly are what save lives, not the fancy things done poorly.